Before we begin with numbers, let's learn about pre-number concepts. Bigger, smaller. Pick out the bigger animal. It has been done for you. Here we can see two animals, zebra and cat. Which animal is bigger here? Zebra. So like this, we have to pick out the bigger animal. Bigger का मतलब होता है बड़ा. Same way we will do the next question. Pick out the bigger flower. Here we can see two flowers. Jasmine, sunflower. Which flower is bigger here? कौन सा फ्लावर बड़ा है? Jasmine is bigger? क्या जैस्मिन बड़ा है? नहीं. Sunflower is bigger. Sunflower बड़ा है. Sunflower बड़ा है. Bigger. So take sunflower. Next question is pick out the smaller vehicle. It has been done for you. Here we can see two vehicles. Scooter, bus. Which vehicle is smaller here? Scooter. Same way we will do the next question. Pick out the smaller bird. Here we can see two birds. Eagle, sparrow. Which bird is smaller here? Eagle is smaller? No. Sparrow is smaller. Sparrow छोटा है, smaller. So take sparrow. Bigger का मतलब होता है बड़ा. Smaller का मतलब होता है छोटा. Next pre-number concept is bigger than, smaller than. Pick out the animal bigger than the third. Now see the third animal. This is ox. Which animal is bigger than ox? Giraffe. Giraffe is bigger than ox. Same way we will do a exercise. Pick out the pencil bigger than the first. Here we can see three pencils. See the first pencil. Which pencil is bigger than the first pencil? Third pencil is bigger than the first pencil? No. Second pencil is bigger than the first pencil. So take second pencil. Pick out the flowers smaller than the first. It has been done for you. See the first hibiscus? First hibiscus is bigger. Second, third hibiscus is smaller than the first hibiscus. Pick out the thing smaller than the first. See the first thing? This is capsicum. Which thing is smaller than capsicum? Juice is smaller than capsicum? No. Ice cream is smaller than capsicum? No. Grasshopper is smaller than capsicum. So take grasshopper. Next pre-number concept is biggest, smallest. Biggest का मतलब होता है सबसे बड़ा. Smallest का मतलब होता है सबसे छोटा. See the first example. Here are 3 books. Can you see the books? Yes. Pick out the biggest. It has been done for you. Here we can see 3 books. Which book is biggest here? The second book is biggest here. Second book सबसे बड़ा है. Same way we will do the next question. Color the biggest kite. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites. Which kite is biggest here? कौन सा kite सबसे बड़ा है? First kite is biggest? No. Third kite is biggest? No. Fourth kite is biggest? No. Second kite is biggest. Second kite सबसे बड़ा है. So we will color the second kite. So you understood the meaning of biggest? Yes. Here are 3 clocks. Pick out the smallest. Smallest का मतलब होता है सबसे छोटा. So you have to pick out the smallest. It has been done for you. Look here. You can see 3 clocks. First clock is smallest. First clock सबसे छोटा है, smallest. So, you understood how to pick out the smallest? Now we will do a exercise. Here are 3 balls. Can you see the balls? Yes. Pick out the smallest. You have to pick out the smallest. आपको सबसे छोटे बॉल को टिक करना है. Now see the balls carefully. Which ball is smallest here? कौन सा बॉल सबसे छोटा है? First ball is smallest. First ball सबसे छोटा है. So take the first ball. Here are 4 things. Color the smallest. Aeroplane, car, doll, ball. Which thing is smallest here? कौन सा चीज सबसे छोटा है? Ball is smallest. Ball सबसे छोटा है. So let's color the ball. Next pre-number concept is big, smaller. Pick out the big pen. Here we can see 2 pens. Which pen is big here? Second pen is big? No. First pen is big. So tick the first pen. Pick out the smaller knife. Smaller का मतलब होता है छोटा. Which knife is smaller here? First knife is smaller? No. Second knife is smaller. Second knife छोटा है, smaller. So take the second knife. Next pre-number concept is longer than, shorter than. Pick out the banana longer than the second. Now see the second banana. You have to tick the banana longer than the second banana. Third banana is longer than the second banana? No. First banana is longer than the second banana. So tick the first banana. Pick out the trouser shorter than the first. Shorter का मतलब होता है छोटा. Now see the first trouser. This is the first trouser. We have to take the trouser shorter than the first. Third trouser is shorter than the first trouser? No. Second trouser is shorter than the first trouser. So take the second trouser. So you understood? Longer than, shorter than? Yes. Next pre-number concept is longest, shortest. Longest का मतलब होता है सबसे लंबा. Shortest का मतलब होता है सबसे छोटा. Here are 3 snakes. Pick out the longest. आपको सबसे longest snake को टिक करना है. Now look here. Which snake is longest here? Third snake is longest? No. Second snake is longest? No. First snake is longest. First snake सबसे लंबा है. So take the first snake. Here are 3 pencils. Pick out the longest. आपको सबसे longest pencil को टिक करना है. First pencil is longest? No. Second pencil is longest? No. Third pencil is longest. Third pencil सबसे लंबा है. So take the third pencil. Here are 3 ropes. Color the smallest in red. आपको सबसे smallest rope को red color करना है. First rope is smallest? No. Second rope is smallest? No. Third rope is smallest. Third rope सबसे छोटा है. So let's color the third rope with red color. Next pre-number concept is tallest, shortest. Tallest का मतलब होता है सबसे ऊंचा. Shortest का मतलब होता है सबसे छोटा. Pick out the tallest boy. आपको tallest boy को टेक करना है. Now tell me students, which boy is tallest here? Fourth boy is tallest? No. Third boy is tallest? No. Second boy is tallest? No. First boy is tallest. First boy सबसे ऊंचा है, tallest. So take the first boy. Pick out the shortest girl. आपको सबसे छोटे गर्ल को टिक करना है. Fourth girl is shortest? No. Third girl is shortest? No. Second girl is shortest? No. First girl is shortest. First girl सबसे छोटी है, shortest. So take the first girl. Here are 3 glasses. Pick out the glass smaller than the second. Now see the second glass? Yes. Now tell me, which glass is smaller than the second glass? Third glass is smaller than the second glass? No. First glass is smaller than the second glass. So take the first glass. Here are 3 trees. Pick out the trees smaller than the second. Now see the second tree. Second tree is tallest. First tree and third tree are smaller than the second tree. Here are 2 skyscrapers. Color the taller in light blue. First skyscraper is taller? No. Second skyscraper is taller. So let's color the second skyscraper with light blue color. Here are two temples. Color the shorter in yellow. Second temple is shorter? No. First temple is shorter. So let's color the first temple with yellow color. Here are three football players. Pick out the tallest. First football player is tallest? No. Third football player is tallest? No. Second football player is tallest here. So take the second football player. Here are three buildings. Pick out the smallest. आपको सबसे छोटे बिल्डिंग को टिक करना है. Which building is smallest here? Third building is smallest? No. Second building is smallest? No. First building is smallest. So tick the first building. Here are three monuments. Color the tallest in red. Which monument is tallest here? First monument is tallest? No. Third monument is tallest? No. Second monument is tallest here. So let's color the tallest monuments with red color. Here are three rockets. Color the smallest in violet. आपको सबसे छोटे रॉकेट को violet कलर करना है. Third rocket is smallest? No. Second rocket is smallest? No. First rocket is smallest. First rocket सबसे छोटा है. Smallest. So let's color the first rocket with violet color. Next pre-number concept is heavier, lighter. Heavier का मतलब होता है भारी, lighter का मतलब होता है हल्का. Here are a rock and a feather. This is rock and this is feather. The rock is heavier than the feather. Rock feather से भारी है. The feather is lighter than the rock. Feather rock से भी हल्का है. Heaviest, lightest. Heaviest का मतलब होता है सबसे भारी. Lightest का मतलब होता है सबसे हल्का. Look at the pictures given below. Pick out the heaviest animal. आपको सबसे heaviest animal को टिक करना है. Rat, elephant, lion. Which animal is heaviest here? Rat is heaviest? No. Lion is heaviest? No. Elephant is heaviest. Elephant सबसे भारी है. Heaviest. So tick elephant. Look at the pictures given below. Pick out the lightest. आपको सबसे हल्के पिक्चर को टिक करना है. Computer, mobile phone, eraser. Which picture is lightest here? Computer is lightest? No. Mobile phone is lightest? No. Eraser is lightest. Eraser सबसे हल्का है. So let's take eraser. Here are three men. Color the heaviest in pink. आपको heaviest man को pink color करना है. First man is heaviest? No. Third man is heaviest? No. Second man is heaviest. So let's color the second man with pink color. Here are three things. Color the lightest in yellow. आपको सबसे हल्के चीज को येलो कलर करना है. First thing is lightest? No. Second thing is lightest? No. Third thing is lightest. So let's color the third thing with yellow color. So you understood the meaning of heaviest and lightest? Yes?